So now you know our secret. When you hear that on the 7-day forecast or any time throughout the forecast, it is not a sound effect. It is Christopher Francis. Our 5 p.m. producer, Christopher, when did you realize you had this special talent?
Well, actually, I had to learn it from somebody. I actually learned it from the sound effects guy on a Prairie Home Companion
Oh, really?
many, many years ago.
And now every holiday you always dress up in traditional costume?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Living history.
Living history.
Right on. We'll take us out on the turkey call.